finally decided to bring in professionals, and I chose Texoma Classics. Took a little bit longer, but hey, it's here, it's ready, it's beautiful. How do I feel about the final product? Well, look at her, beautiful. I mean, you really got to take pictures of the interior. That's all I'm going to say, because they did a great job. They put the side pipes on, they cleaned it up, they tuned the engine a little bit. I mean, I love the project. I love the finished product, and I'm really just ready to get it out on the road and enjoy it. Would I recommend Texoma Classics to others? Well, I can answer that, I guess, in the most positive way. I recommended them to myself because as I'm picking this one up, I dropped off a 66 Vet that I somehow blew the head gasket. Unfortunately, wasn't even hot rodding it that day. I was just going to the grocery store for a leisurely drive. So I've got my second car here, and they're going to do some mechanical work, and they're actually going to do some paint work. And I highly recommend the paint department here because you're looking at some of the work on the front end of this car. But yeah, I would recommend this place, Texoma Classics, to other people. I recommend it to myself. I mean, even when we had issues, I'm here. I'm, like I said, dropped my second one off. It's worth it. Prices are reasonable. The process is good. But yeah, definitely bring your cars here.